एटम बम का नाम सुना आपने? सुना है एटम बम का नाम? उससे बड़ा क्या होता है? बीजेपी के लोगों तैयार हो जाओ, हाइड्रोजन बम आ रहा है।
What exactly is a hydrogen bomb? The atomic bombs dropped by the United States on Japan in 1945 remain the only nuclear weapons ever used in warfare. But just 7 years later, an even more destructive nuclear bomb was built, the hydrogen bomb. It was hundreds of times more powerful than the atomic bomb. Atomic bombs work on nuclear fission, the splitting of heavy atoms like uranium or plutonium. When these atoms split, they release an enormous amount of energy. Whereas hydrogen bombs use a two-step process. First, an atomic reaction sets off the explosion, then comes nuclear fusion, the same process that powers the sun, where hydrogen atoms fuse together, releasing unimaginable energy. The result, a single hydrogen bomb can wipe out an entire city, even a small country, depending on its size. The largest ever tested, the Soviet Union's Tsar Bomba in 1961, was so powerful its shockwaves circled the Earth 3 times. So while the atomic bomb is devastating, the hydrogen bomb takes destruction to an entirely different scale. And today, both the US and Russia have thousands of them. India, China, and a few others are believed to have hydrogen bombs capability too. So when politicians casually compare their attacks to hydrogen bombs,
एटम बम से बड़ा हाइड्रोजन बम होता है।
remember, these weapons are not just bigger versions of atomic bombs, they are the deadliest devices ever built by humans.